Well, guys, this is what's going on here in Connecticut. We are getting flooded. A lot coming down. It's lightning and thunderstorm. It's only 4 something in the afternoon, but it is coming down hard. Um, you hear that? Yeah, it's coming down hard. Let me zoom to the water. Yeah, it is coming down hard, guys. I had to come outside because Diamond is inside and she is going through panic attacks. I put her jacket on, but it's she's too much. Anyways, I just want to show you a little bit of what's going on. So, all right, guys, bye.